Ladies and gentlemen, the jury, I present to you Scrub Zero. Alright, what was I wanting to get to? I've been hearing this stuff about, old boy Frank Vogel and how Agent Arjanowski leaked the report that they'll be telling Frank Vogel that he's getting fired today after yesterday's game. I heard Frank Vogel's reply. He said he haven't told him bleep. But ESPN has been behind all this time as far as the Lakers go. Anyone who's been following Carcino for life, and make sure you do go follow him, because he puts out amazing content, and he's been on point when it's come to the Lakers the whole year. Everyone who's followed Carcino for life has known for about a month plus that Frank Vogel is gone, and that he was playing to the final game of the season, and afterward he will be let go. He knew it, they knew it, and anyone who says they didn't know is lying. Like, we all know that he's gone. Like, it's no secret to any of us. We know. But fine, I'll say allegedly. Allegedly, we all knew he was gone. We all had this information beforehand that we knew the Lakers knew, allegedly, that Frank Vogel was to be fired. But ain't no secrets. Like, ESPN trying to act like they got this, like, his story broke by Wojnarowski. Nah, Wojnarowski is about what, like, if he's breaking this now, he well behind. It's been known. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of, we just knew. We knew it, right? Once the season ended, it was a wrap. This is why ESPN is like, why would I listen to them and their propaganda ways? Especially when they got a cat, Adam Chef may not just be throwing shade and has put out false information before. But, the wildlife in sports, you have to listen to them. No, I don't. And this is why I don't watch ESPN. Because they do some grimy ass stuff. But, the Lakers have not been a good team. Obviously, when you have a season like this, there's enough blame to go around for everyone. The lion's share of the blame goes to the guy who set up the team and who wanted things to go his way, and that would be LeBron James. Anyone who disagrees, well, you feel free to do what you want, but we all know it's true. Y'all just gonna cap for the man. And that's what we do when it's someone we like, or someone who gets pushed to us to be this great guy who really ain't that great a player. He's a guy. He has great talent. I'll give him that. But, Frank Vogel's done. We've all known. Like, this is, like, so I'm here, like, everyone else is only finding out. I'm like, y'all behind. ESPN ain't breaking no news, really. They ain't breaking no news. I know a lot of those rumors, but, they hear Wojnarowski and they feel, all right, it's on point. Not that it isn't on point, but we've had this information over a month now. Like, this boy was gone. This boy was gone. How? And the question is now, who's going to be the next head coach? Keep an eye out for Mark Jackson. There was a report that said Doc Rivers. Now, I would love Doc Rivers to go to the Lakers, honestly. Because I think Doc Rivers is going to be done in Philly. I don't think they win no championship, so sick of forking them. Time to move on. But it would be funny. I would love Doc in LA. Him and LeBron. Oh, man, that'd be fun. For me. I don't know if it'll be fun for the Lakers, but it'd be fun for me. There's a few, and David Fizdale was another name that we got, like, so we'll see what ultimately ends up happening. But yeah, like, if you please get Doc Rivers. I want to see a show. At this point, this is the entertainment business. Well, Doc Rivers and LeBron James will entertain me. It'll entertain me quite a bit. I know I'm a dickhead for that, but I will enjoy every minute of it. Why wouldn't I? I have to be silly to not enjoy something like this. But that's me. I'm a madman who just happens to work at a place known as UPS. You know, I just load delivery trucks. No big deal. Don't listen to me, or do. That's your choice. But yeah, ain't nothing new. ESPN ain't do nothing special. They weren't first with this news. It's no secrets that was really being broken. Of course, Vogel's gonna cover his backside and say that they haven't told him bleep. He's just gonna play it, and he's just gonna enjoy the night because he knows his time is up. So when your time is up, what do? You make the most of the opportunity you got. And that's it. So whenever that news is official, you'll probably see whenever that news is official is what it is. I'm just waiting for Garcino to go live on it because he'll have some insight on things. So, yeah, you know, this is how it goes. When you fall short of expectations, guys someone has to pay for it. In this case, it's Frank Vogel, the guy who really should be paying is LeBron James. But I don't want to be known. Yes, I do. I don't care. It's LeBron James' fault. He gets a lion's share of the blame. He has to be better. He's not going to be better because this is who he's always been. So I'm expecting more of the same next season. Another season where they fall short of expectations, and LeBron does his whining and bitching moves and all this other shit. I'm tired of him. Like Nick Jacobs says, retire. Just retire. Like, it's time for him to go. Go off into whatever other ventures you got going on, and just stay off the basketball court. Because you are not a basketball player, LeBron James. You are just you're just a guy who plays NBA basketball. You're not no NBA basketball player. No, I don't care what anyone says about that. He's not. I'll stand on that one. Before I lose whatever's left of my mind, and you get to hear all these trucks on around, I'm gonna head off. Hit the like, share, subscribe if you're new. Leave your comments down below. Hope everyone's having a great day. I'm going to do some shopping. Well, I did some shopping on my way home, but I had to go to the supermarket closest to my place. So I'm going to do a little more shopping because it is bun season, and I got to get me some Easter bun. So now I'm going to do that. And until next time, I'm Scrub Zero. I'll catch you on the flip side.